Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. I watched this house yesterday and it had a lot of growth up here and had a lot of wasp nests, and I shot quite a bit of water up in the soffit. And then also the manufactured homes, they're not the best as far as, you get water shot in here. It's going to collect in here, run over, down. So you see what I got? So I stayed an extra 30 minutes rinsing these down, and they just kept coming. So I told them I'd be back today after it's dried behind there so I can treat the front. And what I'm going to treat the front with is a 50-50 mix of muriatic acid and a little surfactant. And sometimes I pre-wet, but on here, since I had such an issue, I'm not going to pre-wet. I want to just put the least amount of water or liquid on it. And so I'll show you what I do. I got my pressure washer turned way down, and then I got a smaller M5 on here so I can mist it, a quick mist. So let's do this right here. We got one right here. Let's put a little acid. It's already melting off. Oh, that one might give me trouble. See, it's still coming out. But anyway, listen to me. A little more dwell. Okay, you see how it's just dripping off. So the laps, you buck the laps going this way, so I'm gonna mist this going this way. Still got some work. Let's see. Had one up there. Give it another little soak. Okay, I'll come back when that's dwelled. All right, it's looking good. I got 95% of it gone. There's a few like this I've been chasing. I got a microfiber cloth, a damp one. I hate putting anything on the siding, but I don't want to come back tomorrow, and I can't leave that. And if I keep rinsing it, the water keeps coming, so I'm just going to have to lightly go over. Okay, see, it just keeps coming out. Man, I just misted it too. I must have loaded the crap out of the back side of that siding. And it's not all my fault. It's how the builders put the soffit together has a lot to do with how much water gets behind it. And I know because I used to install siding. There's a right way and a cheaper, faster, wrong way. One of these days I'll get some siding and I'll show you what the problem is. So see, here's one drip right here. Now I'm going around just getting the small drips, make it kind of poofy. Gone. There's one right there. Gone. If you're on a oxidized side, this is the north side of the house. It's not oxidized near as much as, say, the east or the west. Then you're not going to disturb much oxidation doing this. But if you're on a heavy oxidized piece of siding and you do this and you come off with a bunch of white or whatever color, then you're going to have issues. Then you're going to have to do a full oxidation removal, which also gets rid of these leak stains. I can stay here another 30 minutes and just touch up. See, there's a brown dot right there. See it? If that drips, it'll make like a dirty area right here. So I'm going to get that. Okay. These are all but gone over here. All right, here's an old window washing trick. Right there. These two over here are active. This thing just running out of there. See, look, I pushed on it and I started another one right here. Oh, I'm my worst enemy. We are getting it though. It's less and less every time I walk around. All right, I'm gonna call that good. So if you learned anything, please like and subscribe. Send me a couple $100,000 and we'll be good. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching.